Welcome back to Tina's Sewing Class, guys. Nice to have you here. And today we will be working on the back stitch. The back stitch in hand sewing is a utility stitch which strongly holds and permanently attaches two pieces of fabric together. They are small stitches, as you can see here. They're small stitches done backward and forward, and it makes the stitch very strong. This actually is one of the strongest stitches among the basic stitch, and this is why when you sew a seam, it holds. And you don't need a sewing machine on this one. So this is how we're going to do it. This is what I'd like for you to do. You get your scrap together, and I do want you to make a line. So you get this is two pieces. You put them together. They're not joined. They're two separate pieces. You put them together, and you can do that with the rest of your stitches as well. You can make lines and dots to help you. So I'm just going to make a line like that. About like so should be fine. And this is just to help you to keep your seam straight. And here, just make dots as you go along, just like that, or that's fine too. And mine are like very big. They don't have to be this big because the smaller the better. So I'll go a little bit smaller here. Okay, guys, this is just a guide. After you pretty much get the knock of this, I want you to do it without the lines. That way, or the dots, that way you'll practice keeping your seam straight. Alrighty? Alrighty, so after you put the lines in your fabric like that, I'd want you to go ahead and you're going to go from the back. Don't forget to put a knot in your thread. If you don't, it's going to just pull right through. So on your second line, you're going to put your needle through. This is how we do the stitch. First, you're going to put your needle through the second hole, because remember it's forward and backward. So now you're going to go back in your first dotted area like so. Now you're going forward again. So it's a series of back and forth. You're going to go right back in your first, where you first enter your needle. Go right back in there. Pull through. There you go. And now you're going to go forward again. There you go. Now you go back into that space and you pull your needle through. When you make your line, I want you to give it a little bit more space. I don't think I gave mine enough space. Yeah, I did not give it enough room. At least make your hem at least your seam at least half an inch. Give it a half an inch seam. So my seam should be down here. That's okay though. Go through again. Go backwards. Go forward. Back. Forward. See that seam begin to form. Pull your needle through and you go back. Watch your fingers with the needle. There you go. You go forward again. And by now you guys should, if it's your first time, very first time sewing, you should have, with all the other stitches, you should have an idea of handling the needle in the fabric. and thread. Push through. Don't use cotton fabric as well too, guys. Don't use like upholstery fabric, anything like that. That's going to be too difficult for you to manage. There goes. Alrighty, do another one. So guys, happy practicing. Don't forget to keep practicing all the stitches. I have one more for you. And remember, you can find them all in the playlist. I created it already, and I'm going to be adding these to it so you can go back and catch what you miss, or if you need a little bit more explanation on the different type of stitches, go into the playlist and you'll find them. So there you go, guys. It's really simple once you get the hang of it. Very nice. Okay, guys. So happy sewing, and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.